guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm here on a rainy Friday morning. I got Monty behind me and I just filmed a wacky Starbucks drink video. If you want to see it or like what this is and everything, I'll link it below, but spoiler, it's pretty good. It's my birthday in about 3 days. I'm gonna be 28. I know. I look 16. But yeah, so anyways, the last thing you guys see me do with my hair, I don't even remember. I must have been doing like the black and purple. I'll link that below as well. I have an entire hair playlist. But anyway, what I didn't show you guys was when I went ahead and like bleached the bottom layer and just left it blonde and then let everything else be dark brown. It's been like a month or so, I think. And since my birthday's coming up, we're gonna try something cool and fun. I'm gonna run to Sally's. I have a lot of not a lot, but I have some Wella developer at home. So I'm just gonna get probably a little bleach packet to touch up my blonde section underneath. And then I think I'm gonna do pink, like something very pretty hot pink. I want like Playboy, early 2000s, Jersey Shore, like that hot pink from like the early 2000s. I don't know if anyone understands me, but we're going to Sally's Beauty. Okay, I just got to Sally's. I'm having like the worst stomach ache of my life. Shout out to the shaken espresso. Like, oh my gosh, I don't even know what to do right now. Okay guys, I want to show you what I got. I wanted to spend under $20. I just wanted to grab like a couple things because I'm on a budget, but I ended up spending $23. So this is the lightener I went with. Originally I had a Wella one, but this one just like stuck out to me when I was in line. It's Ion and it was a 5 something. It's bright white powder lightener, and in terms of my blonde, white is the direction I want to go. So that's why I grabbed this. It's also ammonia free, keratin infused, lifts up to 7 levels, cruelty free, gluten free. But yeah, I got the Ion lightening powder. So for my pink, the semi-permanent hair colors were mostly like $15 and up. I found the Manic and it was 11 something. So this was on the cheaper side, believe it or not, for the semi-permanent hair colors that they carried at Sally's today. Wow, this is neon, hot pink. I told you I want the hot pink. And I seen one color that was like cotton candy pink, but then I remembered how I just used this lime crime unicorn hair color called Sour Candy in the last few months. This is more of like a bubblegum pink, and I wanted the hot pink, so I decided I wanted to get something different than this, so I got this. So yeah, I got Manic Panic hot pink. This should be more than enough to go over the blonde. So that was all I was gonna get, but then I realized I think I'm out of gloves, so I got this Salon Care pair of gloves. It was like 3 something. And then the girl at the counter convinced me to get a color sealer. Yeah, so this is just like a little kind of sample size type thing, and this was like $1.99. So yeah, that's my Sally's haul, and I can't believe we're gonna be messing with the hair today. Hey guys, so I did not really get a chance to style my hair. This is kind of just like how it dries for the most part. I did use my Revlon blow dry and volumizer tool on it. So this is like a first look at the results though. And so as you can see, it is extremely vibrant and I love that about it. I didn't use my color sealer yet. Okay guys, so this is it after I attempted to like curl it and style it. And we have natural lighting. Okay, this side the curl is like but over here, check it out. So yeah, again, I just want to emphasize again that the pink is extremely vibrant. It's so beautiful. I give this like 5 stars. If you want that vibrant neon, like it's so bright. Love that. Yeah, so Manic Panic does it again. If you want to see when I did Manic Panic Atomic Turquoise, I'll link that below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.